हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा. वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 10.2. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन. सो द क्वेश्चन सेज prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Okay, so I have a parallelogram over here ABCD and it is circumscribing a circle. We will prove ABCD is a rhombus. So to prove that it is a rhombus, we will prove all its sides are equal. Okay, now let's join these two ends of this parallelogram. So let's join B and D. Okay, also let's join OS, which is the radii of this circle. Similarly, I'll join OP, which is again the radii of this circle. Okay, now observe that AD is a tangent to this circle and similarly AB is also a tangent to this circle, and we know this theorem that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, right? So therefore OS is perpendicular to AD. Similarly OP is perpendicular to AB. So you can give the reason. This is theorem 10.1. Okay. Now since OS is perpendicular to AD, I have this angle as 90 degree. Also this angle is also 90 degree. Okay. So angle OSD equal to angle OPB, both are 90 degrees. Right. Now consider these two triangles. Triangle ODS and triangle OBP. In these two triangles, I have this angle OSD equal to angle OPB, both are 90 degree, right? And OD equals to OB. Why they are equal? Because O is the midpoint of BD, right? O is the midpoint of BD. Also, OS equals to OP. Why they are equal? Because they are radii of same circle. Therefore, they are equal. Now, using RHS congruency, I have these two triangles congruent. So, triangle ODS is congruent to triangle OBP using RHS congruency. Right? So we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ODS and OBP. We have these two triangles as congruent. Now since these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT I can say that DS is equal to BP because congruent parts of congruent triangle are equal. Okay. Also AS is equal to AP. Why it is equal? Why this equation holds? Because the lengths of tangents drawn from external point are equal. So therefore these tangents are equal. Okay. Now let's mark this equation as A and this equation as B. So this is my equation A and this is my equation B. Now let's add equation A and equation B. Equation A and equation B. So DS plus AS, what is equals to DS plus AS? This would be equal to AD and BP plus AP would be equal to AB. So let's mark this equation as equation number 1. Okay. Now we know that ABCD is a parallelogram and opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, right? So AB is equal to CD and AD equals to BC. Let's mark this equation as number 2 and this equation as number 3. Now from these three equations, what do we have? So CD equals to AB. This is from equation 2 and AB equals to AD. This is from equation 1, and AD equals to BC from equation 3. So you see all four sides of this parallelogram equal. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. So we have proved that ABCD is a rhombus, hence proved. I hope this proof is clear.